Why 90% of Americans stay broke. Hook. Imagine two people who both earn $70,000 a year. One struggles to pay bills every month. The other quietly builds wealth, invests consistently, and never seems stressed about money. Same income. Completely different financial future. So what's the difference? Most people believe the answer is luck, a better job, or being born into a wealthy family. But the truth is much simpler, and much more uncomfortable. It's not how much money you make. It's what your money does after you earn it. Today, we're going to uncover why so many people stay broke, the psychological traps that keep them there, and the simple mindset shifts that can completely change your financial future. Let's get started. Problem setup. From a young age, we're taught one basic rule. Study hard. Get a good job. Work harder. Earn more money. It sounds logical. But here's the problem. Millions of people followed that exact advice, and they're still living paycheck to paycheck. Every time they get a raise, something strange happens. Their spending grows too. A bigger apartment. A newer car. More subscriptions. More expensive vacations. Instead of building wealth, they build bigger monthly bills. This is called lifestyle inflation. And it's one of the biggest reasons people never get ahead financially. The more they earn, the more they spend. So despite making more money than ever before, they never actually become richer. Core explanation. Think of money like water flowing into a bucket. Your income is the water flowing in. Your expenses are the holes at the bottom. Most people believe the solution is simply to pour in more water. Get promoted. Start a side hustle. Work overtime. But if the bucket has too many holes, it doesn't matter how much water you pour in. The bucket never fills. That's exactly how personal finance works. Many people focus entirely on increasing income while ignoring spending habits. Here's another example. Imagine someone receives a $500 monthly raise. Instead of investing it, they upgrade their car. Now that extra money disappears into monthly payments. A year later, they feel just as broke as before. The raise changed their income, not their habits. And habits are what create wealth over time. Psychology of money. Our brains love instant rewards. Buying something new feels exciting. You get a quick burst of happiness. Psychologists call this instant gratification. The problem is, that feeling fades quickly. Soon, you want something else. A newer phone. Better clothes. A bigger TV. The cycle never ends. Companies understand this perfectly. That's why advertisements constantly tell us we deserve to upgrade. They're not selling products. They're selling emotions. Success. Status. Comfort. Belonging. And most people unknowingly spend money trying to buy those feelings. Meanwhile, wealthy people often think differently. Instead of asking, "What can I buy?" they ask, "What asset can I own?" One question spends money. The other grows money. The hidden trap. Another reason people stay broke is confusing income with wealth. Someone earning six figures can still have almost nothing saved, while someone earning much less may quietly own investments, savings, and assets that grow every year. Income is what you make. Wealth is what you keep. That's a huge difference. Think about an iceberg. Income is the small part above the water. Wealth is the massive hidden part underneath. Most people only notice the visible lifestyle. The nice car. Luxury vacations. Designer clothes. But they never see the debt behind it. Or the empty savings account. Real wealth is often invisible. The wealth-building mindset. Imagine every dollar you earn as a tiny employee. You can spend that employee forever. Or you can put it to work. When you invest wisely, that dollar begins earning more dollars. Then those dollars earn even more dollars. This is the power of compound growth. It's slow at first. Almost boring. But over time, it becomes incredibly powerful. Think about planting a tree. The first few years don't look impressive. But if you stay patient, Eventually, it provides shade for decades. Money works the same way. Consistency beats speed. Practical takeaways. So, how do you avoid the same mistakes? First, spend less than you earn. It sounds simple because it is. But it's also one of the hardest habits to maintain. Second, pay yourself first. Before spending on anything else, automatically move part of your income into savings or investments. Even a small amount builds discipline. Third, delay gratification. Before making a purchase, ask yourself. Finally, focus on buying assets instead of liabilities whenever possible. Assets have the potential to grow your financial future. Liabilities usually cost you money every month. The goal isn't to look rich. The goal is to become financially free. Ending. Here's the biggest lesson. Most people don't stay broke because they lack intelligence. They stay broke because they repeat small financial habits every single day without questioning them. Wealth isn't built by one giant decision. It's built by hundreds of tiny choices made consistently over time. Every dollar you earn gives you two options. Spend it today, or let it build tomorrow. The decision may seem small, but over years, it changes everything. So ask yourself, are you working for your money? Or is your money slowly learning to work for you? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple finance lessons that can help you build lasting wealth. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.